Yeah,
on the
dirty
pot.
pot.
Yeah. That means that when you're ready to score it off.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know. Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food.
Yes, family, good morning, camarade. St. Mary again with there. Now, as you can see, I am here with the workman, them, and they are doing some little work at the front here, you know. You can see them digging out, and then excavation here, we're going to put up a fence, you know, at the side here. So, now they are digging out to put in the mat at the bottom, and then to cement it up and then put up the fence, you know. So a lot of work, great work we are doing here. As you can see, at first it was just an edging, just like that, but we are changing it up now, and we're going to put up a, you know, concrete fence, you know. I'm just showing you what they are doing, you know. Yeah, man, showing you what they are doing. Yeah, as you can see, you know. Yeah, man, I'm at a different section now. Up in the bush now. Fruit tree again. Grapefruit tree this time. We have picked some grapefruit. We'll show up in the grapefruit tree. Yeah, man, see them up on tree, so we have picked some grapefruit. Them fit and look sweet, so we have picked some, we have tried them out. Alright, show it. Ah, yeah. Yeah, man, about a dozen upon that. Yeah, man, here Alan has some goats up in the bush here, ball. I'm going to look and see how oh, see one here? I'm lay down here, so why? They look terrible. They want medicine. Alan goat, they want medicine, man. This one I tie up in some bush. Down here, so ticky. Ooh, they want feeding, they want medicine. Trust me. The next one around here, so. And the one here, the bally one. Want feed, man, them. They look half full, them maga. Uh-oh. At another fruit tree now. This is apple this time. Apple a beer again. Whole heap of apple blossom on the tree. Whole heap. Man, when they come them time and now, so you have a lot of fruits, all different type of fruits, you know. And like how them get the rain and things, so everything and show up them colors now. Bloom, everything come out and I show up them colors. Whole heap of apple blossom. Whole heap. So another few months time or so, you know, you get a apple start coming in. This is we find an ackee tree here, loaded with ackee on it, but it not opening as yet. You know? Maybe another month or so before, or maybe less than that still start opening. Pretty. Ooh, whole heap of ackee on it. Whole heap of ackee. That is the thing when you come country boy, you see all different kind of fruits, all different kind of things you can, you know. All different kind of things up here, man. All different type of fruits.
but we're not dead there yet. Round the gorge, they show you real cool, the weather break little. Uncle Murphy just said she get promotion. She not in a khaki suit again. She in a green suit. She a warder now. And she a real cool with that. You know? So the weather has broken. If it only rain fall and no flood rain or nothing. And we're on over here. And all of that. You know? But there we go. That Uncle Murphy go and take a different route. But kind of water kind of subside around here and around green. Yeah, so the road there before we. Yep, early morning, and we're taking a little early morning run. It is so beautiful. It is so cooling, people. Gentlemen, it is so cool. The weather is so cool around here, and I pray for the coverage for go and come back safe, and all the other motorists driving around here too. We pray for them just exercise some caution. See some mad one that come over there, so see some of them here. So them a move wild, all the one there, and the white car. Around the garden, you don't know how I'm feeling, you know, so this is what is happening. And a pleasant good morning to you again until we catch you in the next clip. Bug walk now, and we stop at Juicy Beef. We got all this now. We will leave out early. I'm tired for cook.
You get everything?
Yeah, me sure. Where your coffee? You get your coffee?
Get the coffee.
Okay. So we got breakfast at Juicy Beef. So I'll show you where I have. Me and Uncle Murphy take. This I look like I want fried dumpling. What is that? Me and Uncle Murphy take cook breakfast. That damn camera girl take Patsy. What this? Me didn't ask them for saltfish and baked bean. Uncle Murphy asked for stewed chicken.
Yes.
This look like an Uncle Murphy one. We can't open that. So, they're into Uncle Murphy food breakfast at door.
Yeah.
Oops, my part drop. But I can open mine. Here, Dad. The Uncle Murphy one in there. Uncle Murphy, you stop some of eat your breakfast though, because you don't want your breakfast cold. Can't pack up in a little part up this, so.
Oh, we don't buy cement.
With the hardware, yeah.
That one as well?
Yeah, so I guess.
This one and now.
No, we just go eat. So, or when you pack up out there, so. This is what I got, and I think one of the fried dumplings is mine. Yeah, we not can eat out there, so.
And next time you're not going?
Yeah, because the one you're not open yet. So this is what we have, family, and we have some patties. So we are on our way to the country, and we are eating the breakfast in the morning. Yeah, I don't like eat out, but sometimes you have to do look like, you know. So we catch you in the next clip. We're turning on now outside of Bagua. It's like rainfall there last night, man.
Yeah.
You know, see? Yeah, man, rainfall there last night, big and serious. What a cold. Uncle Murphy, look. Look, that all cold.
I like it still, I like it out here. Yeah.
Cool, man.
Yeah, I like it out here.
It feels good.
Yes. Breathing some fresh air.
Yes, man.
I love it.
No pollution.
No pollution.
So, Parry, St. Mary, we there right now. St. Mary, we say. We down in a bottom yard, yeah. Dada go out, Uncle Murphy. Uncle Murphy say hi to you people them now.
Hello. Hi to everybody.
Yeah.
Hi there.
Yeah, see banana, one little banana there. Alan start selling banana there and by and then young. We don't know what happened to Alan. Alan are going with a bag of things here, so. Alan are going with all kind of something. Alan rent out all this house here furnish. Me say, Parry, tell me a judge bed. Them you call drama. I make me show no Alan apartment when rent out furnish. Furnish. One room in the furnish. Show have one. A room. Alan rent out this one here. Let me show you. Me come here, come see. Uncle Murphy, make a catch it there. This is the furnished, this room here. This one. Let me catch it with Uncle Murphy. Alan rent out this room here, right here, so. Well furnished. You see the lock on there? Well furnished apartment. Alan rent it out with a nice little bed. Yeah. So, all who like to hear about Alan, that's the latest. Alan has rented out this year. Furnished. Remember say this house you want tear down and fixing up, Harry. And that I go on. Shoe I cut down the edge in them round here so feel like the place. And all of that. And the greenery, everything. Show down the ground. Them always are clean up. And so. Eh? Christmas. Yeah, man. And the rain fall and it's still not let you know up here, so. Still a fall up here, Parry. But at time now, for go tear down woodland, for go plant, man. You know? So. That is what is happening. We don't have bottom here, they don't have mama. I don't see a land tenant. But, oh, in Ghana bush me here. So, par me catching at the next click of this. You call drama. Parry. When they cross the road, meet one party and my stomach a burn me. I drink some water though. Hurry over here and hurry where I said to the people then.
Yes, Parry. Man, I don't respect man, but then I sent me a line see and where. Last time when you see my face, rain up tear down up here. You see the dry time up in the place, I know. So you don't know with the own country, I see how we are going humble myself and give thanks, you know. And enough respect and enough love. Give thanks.
Yeah, man, but show down the side, try lighten off down there, so. That inside, I do look over. Work man are there to the Uncle Murphy in the shadows, so. We just there chill, because I'm not telling a lie. The sun out, but the country cool under the tree are cool, but me I try my best now to land on this tree in a park, it's in the high tension wire up there, so the JPS man them for come deal with it, so me I try my best now so me know land on it. Me don't know them make it there up there so and grow so far in night, but me they cross the road here. And you see right off this over there, so yeah, we are lined up for a little wall over there, so you understand? You know, me have to come in on the road, so me have to kind of straighten up myself, you know. Like, you know, have the road different half and all them go something. So that we are try work on and all of that we are take with time. So me on here and not now go and brush it down. Me don't know what I go on. Rent a day bush, maybe coconut, but we have to go clean up the place. We have to go clean up the place. But we are trying lighten as we go along and so on. So anything we are going on, we see me back in the next clip. I come in when we stop at Bagua, Uncle Murphy, I say, oh, I'm cool.
You can't walk over this morning, what?
When you hear Korea say cool, you know.
What? With the hectare road I had this morning, when he get up the rat, he said, "Brother, make back there." He said, "Brother, you can't manage the back all out here. You can't do it like me." When he come out of run, he said, "Nah, man."
Oh, what you say?
You see some bump rise up on the man to rat, he fly back here. He said, "Me used to you can't turn out here with me."
Yeah, man, say that you're going to have a cold in a year up here.
Auntie up here go balling up here with the winter. And the winter no start.
I tell you, man,
You know, start.
Cold,
Man, up here get cold, Barry. Cool, me have to go get my slippers. Nice, yeah. But me never none of them thing that I could camera girl have on. Yeah, man. Me tell us when up here go for go call. Me know not go say. I chat about cold, Debbie. But you know a country in Jamaica we there. So when we look a place get cold, you know, we call I feel we cold that. Yeah, Korea tell you. That go on, cause the rain is dropping, man.
That's cold like ice.
Yeah, man. Parry. So we have passed back here again. See tree stump hang out in the road right there. So that Uncle Murphy here. You see it? I tell you say I dry the limb them dry up. You Uncle Murphy?
Yes.
See it there? See it hang over right in the road there. I tell you say me check so I guarantee you no. So it wouldn't chop off. See it right there? Right, me I show you it at a better angle. See it there? You see it? Almost I come out to Uncle Murphy car. And so much salmon in the place. See that dry them one they dry up. Yeah, last week. Remember some we have it last time? Yeah, man, me catch it, man. I have me come with you. And see the rest of the tree there around there, so. Them not chop off nothing. See people them up do them building there, Parry, yeah. And they got a nice upstairs house there, so, you know. A 3-story that, you know. Yeah, in the bush, yeah. Yeah, one another one up, so but it look like breeze, the key, yeah. They have some restaurant out here, man. Food, you know, smell some nice food. Yeah.
Somebody
Why I can't smell there? What to smell restaurant dish? So we are come back in the city. We're coming early today because we just run go deal with a little issue and drop off some material for the workman. And when him reach back there, everything will be okay. Come on, girl, let she fast asleep. Yeah, come back here at the lunchtime. Yeah. Fast asleep over there so as the car start drive. She asleep. We go home early. It's about like something to do. I'm buy one soup. Nobody eats no one soup. We wanted something to eat for lunch, but they never have nothing but soup. Nobody eats no one soup. So me alone will have soup. We take soup. So let me say a red pea soup. But look here, you can't compare it to your house soup. I mean, just drink it come and feel fit. So I guess this is it. So remember to make sure you give the videos them a thumbs up. Remember to make sure that you subscribe to the Jamaican Devil's Train, and when you do subscribe, remember to hit that notification bell. Press the option that says all. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control. Stay on top of things. You know that pandemic.